Kookabura birds live in the woodlands of Australia. They spend most of their time resting on tree branches. Kookabura birds have a different call from other birds. They sound like they're laughing. It's a way they talk to each other. Kookabura birds also use the call to let other birds know that certain areas are their home and no other bird can live in their space. Kookaburras are known to fly slower than other birds. The low energy is to help the birds to keep body heat and stay warm. Kookaburras have great vision to see where food is located, either by air or sitting on a tree branch.